Jim, Cry Havoc Tactical. Today we're going to install the big boy, the 308 QRB for the AR-10. Unboxing your QRB 308 kit. First off, you have your instructions, complete with diagrams. Then there's your gas tube. Your gas tube extension, your receiver plate, your barrel plate. Step 1. Check your barrel to upper fit. Step 2. Mounting your receiver plate for the 308 kit. Ensure that your nylon tip set screw is below the threads. Step 2. Installing the receiver plate. Spin it all the way on till it touches. Now, back it off until the gas tube extension hole is at 12 o'clock and lined up. Slide your gas tube extension into, and sometimes it takes just a little bit of that, into the receiver plate. Tighten your set screw down snug. Now, do not put any Loctite on this bottom set screw. It has a nylon tip on it that goes up, and when you tighten it up, it goes up and digs into the threads of the upper receiver, locking it in place. And you just take it snug. It doesn't need to be torqued. Now, once that's finished, go back to this set screw. This is metal on metal. We will now use blue Loctite number 242 to Loctite it in place. Reinsert the barrel and tighten the bottom set screw till it's snug. Go back to the Loctited screw here and tighten them out. Step 3. Install your barrel plate. Lock it on. Start at 10 o'clock. Run the screw down just touching. Go to 2 o'clock. Repeat, just touching. Go to 6 o'clock. Just touching. Go back to 2 o'clock. Tighten. 10 o'clock. Tighten. 6 o'clock. Tighten. Now, using the levers, push back to remove the barrel. Step 4. Installing your gas block and gas tube. Your QRB is now installed. All you have left to do is to put your factory handguard on it, put on your muzzle device, and call it a day.